Hi, good evening, friends. Myself, Manas Sahu. Just now I have started my YouTube channel. I just want to teach you regarding the NCERT books for class 8th math chapter 1. The first chapter is the rational number. Before to start my chapter, I just want to request you, please like, share and comment. For that I will be proceed my next further chapter. Only the place of likes your requested students. Okay, just now I am just begins this topic. Please be focused on it. Okay, the first chapter is the rational number. Okay, and you know that you already have studied about it in 6th and 7th class, that rational numbers, whole numbers, real numbers, integer, and natural number, prime number, odd number, even number. All these things you have already covered in 6th or 7th class math topics. So now you are just jump into the 8th class, so that's why being a higher study right now you are just comes to the rational number. Okay, all these numbers are parts of the natural, whole number, the odd number, even number, like that. Okay, let's we just beginning this chapter. Introduction part, what it's saying. 1.1 introduction, it was saying that in mathematics we frequently come across simply equation to be solved. For example, the equation x plus 2 equal to 13. So that I am just requesting to you, all my students, can you tell me what should be the value of this x? Because it is very easy method. How to resolve this solution? Okay, you just see the x plus 2 equal to, you see x plus 2 equal to 13. Okay, so then if it will be constant this x, then this plus 2, when it will be moves to this part, then this plus 2 will be converted as a minus 2. Okay, so x equal to 13 minus 2, then answer will be how? That is 11. Okay, so here it is says that is solved when the x equal to 11, because this value of x satisfy the given equation. Means it's a one kind of equation. Okay, if you will be put here 11 plus 2, then answer will becomes 13, right? So this solution of this answer is 11, so that is also a natural number. Okay, and 13 also a natural number, 2 also a natural number. Okay, if that value will be comes out in negative manner, then we can say that is a negative integer. Okay, that is a negative value, so we can call it as a negative integer. On the other hand, we'll be proceed further my decision on that. I'll be tell you something. Okay, on other hand, for the equation x plus 5 equal to 5, the solution, what should be the solution? Then x plus 5, then plus 5, it will be moved to the here. Okay, then the answer of the x will be 0. So the solution gives the whole number is 0. If we consider only the natural number, the equation 2 cannot be solved. This is equation 2. Okay, it cannot be solved. To solve this equation like 2, we add the number 0 to collection of the natural number and obtain the whole number. Okay, even whole number will not be sufficient to solve the equation of type. Okay, next you just move to the equation 3. Okay, x plus 18 equal to 5. Okay, x plus 18 equal to 5. What should be the answer of this? X will be x will be plus 18, it will be go to another side, then it will be minus 18. Answer will be x equal to minus 30, which is a whole which is not a whole number. Okay, so this is a positive integer and this is negative integer. Okay, before also I have already told to you that that value will be comes in a negative, and it will be considered as a negative integer. If it will becomes in a positive, then we can say it is a positive integer. Okay, note that this positive integer corresponding to the natural number. What it's saying, note that the positive integers corresponding to the natural numbers. Okay, so that the natural number is considered as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to in a positive way. Okay, if it will comes into the negative way, then the number will be negative. Number will be shown in a negative way. We can say it's a negative integer. Okay, and the equation 4 what it's saying, just a minute. Equation 4 it's saying that 2x equal to 3. Then what it's saying, the consider the equation 4, 2x equal to 3, and the consider the equation number 5, 5x plus 7 equal to 0, for which you cannot find out the solution from the integer. We need the number. So then how can we solve this two equation? We solve this two equation equal to 2x equal to 3, then it's a multiplied. 2x equal to 2 into x, it's multiplied. Then when it will be go to another side, multiply, it will be go another side, then it will be divisible. Okay, in x equal to 3 by 2, answer will be 3 by 2. 5x plus 7 equal to 0, then is this plus 7, when it's go to the another side, then it will be minus 7. Then 5x, what it's showing, 5 into x, then x will result will be x will be comes out minus 7 by 5. Okay, sir, the equation solve out like this. Okay, so this 3 by 2 and minus 7 by 5, this number, this it's also a number. You can say this is the rational number. Okay, for your kind information, we can say this number is a rational number. Okay, if any doubt, you can ask me the questions. Okay, so just wait, some part we are missing.